I don't understand. Tochi, what is the meaning of this? Tochi, what are you doing?
Are you okay? Are you mad? You just came out and you saw food and you started eating. Are you sensible at all? Tochi, I went to the market, came back and I made this food.
That's nice.
And now you think you have monopoly over it?
That's nice.
Are you mad?
Oh.
Tochi, I am talking to you. What is the meaning of this now?
Meaning of what?
No. Why this disrespect?
So
what is it?
No, I can't eat in my own husband's house.
So if you
can't you say I'm pregnant?
You're pregnant.
Try this.
So because you're pregnant, you feel you can't cook. Then Toshi, stop. Please, stop.
You want to be unfortunate. Don't upset me. Drop this plate.
Are you stupid? No, are you dumb?
No, you're the stupid one here.
What's it?
Can't you say I'm pregnant? Are you so blind?
You're pregnant,
No,
so what?
you expect me to go into the kitchen and
You're pregnant, so what?
What's going on here?
It's your stupid, who is your babe? It's your lazy, stupid wife. She can't even allow me to eat. She's insulting me because of food. Come on, my friend, drop this food here. Look at her.
Can you imagine?
What's going on here?
Babe, I went to the market, came back, prepared this meal, dished it out for me to eat, went inside to get a cup of water, only for me to come out and she's eating my food. And telling me that she's pregnant, and because she's pregnant that she has monopoly over every food in this house. Yes. What's that supposed to mean?
Did you buy the food with your money? Whose food is it?
Okay. Let's have it.
Is this your house? It is my money, right?
Is that all you have to say?
Yeah, that's all I have to say. Can't you see she's pregnant? Why are you so wicked? Huh?
Because she's pregnant, she wants to swallow everything in this house.
Are you this wicked? So you don't want her to feed? She's very hungry. She's carrying my child. You need to let her eat whatever she wants. Don't touch her again, or you have me to contend with.
Samson, I made this food.
I don't care.
Myself.
And so, because you made the food, I should go into the kitchen and cook.
I can see your parents.
Are
you stupid? I'm talking and you're still eating.
No, Flora,
there's something wrong with
my
your
friend.
face. Don't even try me. Don't even try me. See, leave this.
Are you the shameless?
You're shameless.
Hello.
You're shameless one.
You're a shameless one.
You are the shameless one. You're very stupid. Because I've been giving you calm.
Baby,
Because I've been giving you calm.
Because heaven will come down.
Are you alright?
Heaven will come down.
What's wrong with you?
You slapped me.
You're beating my wife right in front of me.
You slapped me.
Get out of this place. Get out.
Just like that. What do you mean get out?
She
will apologize to me.
Come back here. How dare you slap her in front of me?
Yes, that's the man.
Don't you have respect? How dare you slap my wife in front of me?
A pregnant wife.
Have you gone nuts? Now apologize to her.
I will never.
What?
You heard me. Never.
What?
Never.
I said I apologize to her. Now, I'm talking to you, woman.
Samson, leave me alone.
I said apologize to her.
Samson.
I said apologize to her. The new accountant. I had to introduce her to you.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Young lady, how are you doing today?
I'm fine, sir.
So what's your name?
My name is Flora Udom.
Flora Udom. Oh, nice one. I believe the general manager has given you an analytical insight of the company.
Yes,
so
please. Yes, sir.
Good. Beyond him being my general manager, he's also my son. So I want you to pay attention to his instructions, and then you must respect everything he said.
Noted.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Please give her further orientation about the company.
No problem, I'll do that.
I appreciate it. All right.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
What's happening to me? Since Flora started working in this company, I can't seem to get my mind off her. Does it mean I'm in love with her? But come to think of it, why should I condescend to her level? How can I love a girl who works under me? I actually employed her. But on the other way around, love doesn't count all of that. I think I love her. What do I do now?
Good morning, Mr. Sampson.
Good morning, Flora. Are you just resuming work?
No, I went to Frank's office to show him something.
All right, that's okay.
Okay.
Flora,
Yes.
how busy are you? Are you too busy today?
Yes. Why do you ask?
I was hoping we do lunch together.
Oh. That would be nice, but I have some unfinished work that I need to get done with today. Maybe some other time. I mean, you just told me today, you know.
All right, hopefully tomorrow.
Okay, we'll see how it goes. I'll be in my office. Honestly, sir, I really don't know how I'm going to do this. I have piles of documents on my desk. If I leave it for lunch, anytime I come back, it's still going to be here moping at me. Please, I really need you to understand. Meanwhile, this business you want us to talk about, can't we, discuss it over the phone, or you come to my office? So, the MD instructed me to send this ahead of time, and he gave me time, and the time is already close. Please. Alright, no problem. I'll see you then. Yeah.
Machi, I remembered you said you want us to talk. I'm here now. What is it?
Nanya, I'm worried.
Worried?
I'm worried.
What is the worrying all about?
I'm worried about our son, Samson.
Samson?
Yes.
What happened to him?
Hey, Nanya. What happened to him? Or are you pretending you don't know what I'm talking about? Eh, Nanya? Okay, since you claim not to have idea of what I'm saying, I am talking about Samson getting married. All his mates in this village are all married with kids. What is he waiting for? Is he still a young boy? He should get married and build his own family and give me grandchildren. And you are here doing as if you don't know what I'm talking about. Is it Samson still getting younger? Eh, Nani?
Machi, sometimes I don't like the way you talk. How do you mean I'm not saying anything about it?
Are you saying something about it?
Were you not here when I confronted him the last time he visited this village over this same issue? Were you not here? Did you not hear what he said? Eh?
I did not hear. Remind me.
Why are you shifting the blame on me now?
Are you not the father? Do something about it. I'm not shifting the blame on you. Do something about it. Because you people, your plan is for me not to see my grandchildren before I die. But it will not happen. I must see my grandchildren. If I wait for you people if I wait a little more, I will get a wife for him myself. My choice of wife. And he must marry that person. That is what I'm telling you now. I should refuse to act as a father you are.
Is that how you want it? It is okay. Thank God you know your son. He's your son, you know him very well. Anyway, two of you can sort this thing out. After all, I brought in a well-mannered girl into this house for Samson to marry. And you connived with him and chased her away. Now you are complaining. Eh? I don't want to talk about anything concerning Samson getting married again. All I know is that whenever he is ready and come back here with any girl, I will follow him to that girl's parents and do the needful. That's all.
You will follow him to whoever to do the needful. Even if the girl is a criminal or a wench or an amusu or an outcast, you will follow him to go and marry the girl. You people should go, let me see you. Follow him and go. Let me see you people.
Do you like the food?
Not bad.
Right.
So yeah, you said you wanted us to talk about business. So what's the business about?
I like you. To be honest, I love you. You don't have to judge me, I'll explain. So, from the point or the moment you applied to work with our company, I began to observe you. I began to watch you very closely. And trust me, I fell in love with you. I like how composed you are. You're very articulate. You're very smart. You're hardworking too. And to crown it all, you're the prettiest thing I've ever seen in my life. And I told myself that there's something about you. There's something striking about you that makes me feel like you're very special. You actually do look like you're wife material. Give me a chance to get to know you better.
Wow. Is that how you do?
How do you mean?
No, like, are you usually like this? You just met me, not quite long. And here you are asking me to marry you. How does that sound?
Listen,
No, cause, I mean, you know nothing about my background, you know nothing about me. Yet you want me to marry you. How does that sound?
I know I might sound very forward, but the truth is, I don't have to know you for 10 years. to marry you, I can, fall in love with you in one day. I mean, like I have. Just give me a chance, alright? I promise to make you happy.
Mr. Sampson, I remember I told you I have a boyfriend and how far we've gone in our relationship.
Yes, I remember you said to me you have a boyfriend, but I have seen him. I have seen your boyfriend. He doesn't look like someone who can take care of you.
Says who?
Says me. You need to give me a chance to take care of you. Alright? Listen,
Okay, let's say for instance I give you a chance. And then I walk home and tell my boyfriend what? That I found someone out of the blues. That I've decided to spend the rest of my life with the person. And then all the good time just go down the drain just like that.
You said he's your boyfriend, right? And I said I want to marry you. There's a difference. He's just a boyfriend. And I want to be your husband. I'm more valuable.
Okay, Mr. Sampson. Thanks for lunch. I have to head straight to the office right now.
Just like that? You're not going to give me a response?
A response?
Yeah. Flora.
Two different people coming together for love with two different plans.
After thinking about the idea you sold to me, I discussed this with my wife and we arrived at it to assign an official vehicle to Flora to appreciate her good work in the office. And the reason I asked you to stay here in the office is to witness that your brainchild is being carried out as you wish.
That's great.
Right. So in a jiffy she will come in because I've sent her to come.
That's great. So I must commend your kindness, and I'm very sure that she will be happy, about the new development. And she's actually excited to work with us.
Oh, I know. Let me just hope so. This is the document, so when she comes, we'll present this to her. Oh, here she is.
Sorry, sir, I'm late. I was trying to quickly round up with the meeting.
Please sit down.
Okay.
Yes. An official car has been assigned to you to appreciate your hard work towards the company over a short period of time, assuming you are duty. Here is the documentation.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you. I'm honored. Thank you so much.
That's all right.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
That's all right. Everything you need is in that envelope. The car key and the papers. I would like to let you know that this is his brainchild, so you also thank him.
Thank you so much, sir. I really do appreciate it. Thank you.
All right. The GM will furnish you with other information as regards to enhance our activities in the office.
Yeah.
There's a new development, so he will tell you.
But by the way, it's a Mercedes. You're going to like it.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
My goodness. Obiora, what is this? I don't get it. What is this? So if I hadn't asked you to bring this document, this is what you would have submitted to the MD? Did you even go through this? No, you didn't. I won't buy that. You didn't. You should be sorry, of course. Obiora, when dealing with finances, you ought to be very, extremely meticulous. What is this? Yet you call yourself a marketing manager. You can't give a proper account of the money that goes through your office.
Sorry, ma'am.
You're sorry. You're sorry. Now look at this. I want you to go through this. From here.
What are you doing here?
So
What are you doing here?
I wanted to...
Now get out.
Sorry, sir.
Get out.
Sorry, sir.
What was he doing here?
What was that for?
I beg your pardon? What was he doing here?
Why do you have to embarrass him like that?
Excuse me? The last time I checked, he is the marketing manager. He should be on the street searching for clients.
He is a staff in this company. He has every right to be in my office.
I don't care. I don't want to see him here again.
Get out.
What?
Get the hell out of my office.
Flora, are you out of your mind?
Get out.
Did you forget who you're talking to?
I don't care. Leave my office.
Are you sure it's gonna work? Hey, yo. No. Falling in love with blind. Falling in love with...
Dochi!
Dochi, look at you! Oh, look at you! You look good!
You look dapper.
Oh, thank you. When did you return from the UK?
Ah, UK. It's been 5 months. 5 months. Yeah.
You're not serious. You've been in this town for 5 good months, and you didn't bother to call me or to check on me. That's unfair.
Tochi, I lost your number. I ran into Paul. You know your guy,
Yeah,
Paul.
my ex, whatever. Yeah.
I asked him for your number, but he said he lost your contact as well.
Oh, that's fine. Paul and I are no longer together. Let me give you my number.
Please do.
Okay, give me yours.
Okay, 081
Yeah.
399 86
Okay.
749.
Oh, perfect. I'll give you a call. Okay, I'm
Wow.
calling. I'm calling. Is your phone here?
Yeah, of course. I have it right here. Okay.
Okay, that's it.
So good
So
to see you. I will call you because
What are you doing
this is my company's warehouse.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
I came to supervise some things.
That's fine. You're working
Yeah.
now. Oh my girl. Anyways,
Good to
I
see you.
have
Okay.
to run.
All right, let me run along
chat.
as well. Okay, bye.
Bye, baby.
Wow, Tochi.
That's my girl.
So dramatic. Okay, let me save your number.
Are you still mad at me?
No, but honestly, I don't like the way you handle things. Obiora is an adult. You shouldn't have spoken to him the way you did. It's not nice.
Corrections accepted. But the truth is, I don't dislike him. I just don't go with the flow, sometimes. I feel like he acts very unprofessional. Especially when, the MD is around. He just acts like, he knows too much. He does a lot of eye service, and I feel like that's inappropriate when it comes to work ethics,
Well, I haven't noticed any act of unprofessionalism from him. Or you said eye service. The little I know, he's not a psychophant. He's just a guy, a young guy who is striving to do better. You should encourage him, not making him feel less of himself. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie if I say that I wasn't scared. mean, if I decide to give you a chance today, is this how you're going to be scolding me at every slightest thing that I do?
Oh, come on. Don't get ridiculous.
Yeah, but that is it. That's
No,
what it seems.
you don't have to say that. This is a different situation here.
Is it?
Yeah, it is. I mean, I don't expect you to say that. Listen, I totally understand how you feel, but I mean, I can't disrespect the woman I love. Okay? I'd rather love you. I'd rather support you. I'd rather, be patient with you. That's what love is about. Please. You can't hurt someone you love. And I love you. And don't see this as an avenue to shut me down, of course. I want you to give me a chance. And I promise you that I'm never going to hurt you if you give me a chance. Please.
Well, I'm going to see if I can. I'll try. Let's see how it goes.
Alright, thank you.
But my issue right now is my boyfriend, Gozie. Because we've dated for 5 years. 5 years of relationship. I can't just stand and watch it go down the drain.
Come on. That's you keep talking about this guy. This guy has nothing to offer you. I'm here to take good care of you, and you've been with him for 5 years and he hasn't asked you to marry him. What kind of relationship do you guys have? I just met you and I love you and I want to get married to you. Listen, ask him to go because he has nothing to offer. He's going to keep wasting your time, and I'm not here to waste your time. I'm here to give you love, to give you everything you deserve. Okay? I want to be with you. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you so much, Flora. Don't turn me down.
Like I said earlier, let's see how it goes. I'll see if I would give you a chance. Okay? But just let me handle everything myself. I'll see how to talk to my boyfriend. Just let me handle it.
Listen, I totally understand you want some time to handle this. But trust me, I can handle it if you want me to handle it.
No,
I
please.
can ask him to back off.
Just let me.
No, can I do it?
Do not get involved. Okay? I'll handle everything myself. At my own pace, please.
Alright, that's fine. I'll give you some time to do that.
Good.
Are you sure it's gonna work? Hey, yo. No. Falling in love with blind. Falling in love with blind. These plans in your heart. Yeah. Are you sure it's gonna work? Are you sure it's gonna work?
Samson,
Sir.
insofar as I take you to be my son, I also want you to know that I was born a child, but I was not born in the night.
Right.
I've observed for some time now that you have a passion for the new account officer, Flora.
My boss, you're not far from the truth. The first time I met her in your office, I got very interested in her. And ever since, I've been trying to get to know her better. And I'm still trying to.
Well, I would stand in for you like a father would to a son. I would like to know what you have in mind before sorting her for her opinion on this. I want to know, is it because she's beautiful and elegant that made you fall in love with her, or because you found some qualities in her that you would need in a woman?
So the truth is, my parents are on my neck to give them grandchildren. And she strikes me like someone who's well behaved. She's very respectful, so far. some of my interactions with her has shown that. And most importantly, I feel like I don't want to be seen as irresponsible in the office because I do not have a wife. So I feel like I need to do the needful in order to, make my parents happy. On the other hand, in the office, I am seen as a single person, and I feel like one of the, criteria to climb one's career ladder in an establishment like us is, you have to be responsible, you have to be married, and you also have to have a family. So I'm assuring you that I'm not just looking out for her beauty, and I really want to settle down in order to make my parents happy and also to be a responsible man. Yeah.
Well, you've said it all, but I would want to seek her opinion. Like I said, I would go all for you, for your sake, but I need you to promise me that you will keep your promises with her.
Yes.
No matter what may come your way.
No problems. I promise to do that. I promise never to hurt.
Rita!
Are you sure it's gonna work? Hey, no. Falling in love with blind. Falling in love with blind. This blind.
Sorry.
Hi.
Are you the one looking for me?
Hi. Yeah. I am. How are you?
I'm good.
Great.
Please, who are you and how may I help you?
How much?
How much?
Yeah.
For what?
How much do you want? Name your price.
I don't understand. Did we do any business that I'm unaware of and you want to pay me?
I mean, we don't have to be business partners. I feel like you need the money. I'm trying to give it to you. So tell me, how much do you want?
I don't understand.
Alright, fine, I'll make you understand. You see, Flora told me you're her boyfriend, and you're the only obstacle I have from getting married to her. So, name your price. It's your lucky day.
Excuse me. Are you okay?
I'm fine. Totally fine.
You're telling me you drove all the way from wherever you're coming from to come to this place and ask me such useless question?
Oh, it's not a useless question. I just want to know how much you want so I can pay you off. She said you're the only obstacle I have. So, name your price.
Obviously, you're not okay. And now let me tell you, my Flora, the love of my life, is not for sale. Get that into your thick skull.
Okay, see, I actually came here to have a conversation with you. A very peaceful one. Alright? Like a gentleman. But I can see you're acting stubborn. Why? Just take the money and walk away.
You are a fool. I can't be having any conversation with a fool. You're not okay.
Are you sure it's gonna work? Hey, no. Falling in love with blind. Falling in love with blind. This blind. Yeah. Are you sure it's gonna work? Are you sure it's gonna work? No. Falling in love with blind. Falling in love with blind. This blind.
What is happening? What was that man thinking about? Could it be true that my own Flora is planning to get married to him? And I didn't notice it. No. It can't be true. That man is an agent of destroyer. But wait too. He was even asking me how much he would pay me to leave my Flora for him. For that man to come here and say that means something has been going on between them behind my back. And I do not know.
Are you sure it's gonna work? Hey, blasting your heart? Yeah. Are you sure it's gonna work? Are you sure it's gonna work? No. Falling in love with blind. Falling in love with blind. It's blasting your heart.
Sir.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
So, what can I offer you so I can let go?
Sir, thank you. I'm okay. Thank you so much.
Alright, I've observed that you and Samson are acquainted, and I've asked Samson, he confided in me. What do you have to say about it?
Yes, he asked me out, but I haven't accepted yet.
Why?
So, the thing is, I actually do like Samson. I don't know how it's gonna feel if I just walk up to him and tell him that I have someone interested in me that wants to marry me and, do away with whatever memory that we've shared together. True, I like Samson, but I can't just meet Gozie with such bad news. It's gonna hurt so bad, considering the fact that he hasn't really done anything to me. So that's why I've been so skeptical about the whole situation. Basically, yeah.
Flora, could you recall the first day in office, what I told you?
Sir, you said quite a whole lot that day. I really can't recall which precisely.
Well, that's pardonable. But I did tell you that Samson is more or less like my biological son. And I would go all out to make sure that he's happy. And that is exactly what I'm doing right now. I have asked Samson what his wishes are. He told me, in confidence, that the only thing that can make him happy for the rest of his life is getting married to you. And I think alongside with him, asking you two not to brush off his proposal, like he said before now, that you've been skeptical about it. I want you to consider his proposal most importantly, because with three of you in my office and in that company, you would lift that company to the greatest height. That has been my dream. Getting two smart kids like you would be a perfect thing, and the first thing that will happen to me in the history of my company. I wouldn't want you to argue with me. I just want you to simply accept his proposal and let's see how that will fly. And as for your boyfriend, I will give him an offer that he can never, ever reject. An offer that's never been made to him for the rest of his life.
Wow. So if I heard you right, sir, you want me to be with Samson solely because you want us to build your company together?
Well, partially.
And you don't even care if Samson is my optimal choice. You just want me to be with him because you feel having the both of us together would make your company metamorphose into something big due to our efforts. Like I said, I have a boyfriend. I am in a relationship. And my happiness matters to me. Somehow I feel you think you can beat me around, Probably you think I don't have someone solidly behind me. Someone who stands as a backbone, a supporter, someone to speak for me. You probably think you can maneuver and make me do your bidding.
I get you. You are getting it wrong. At this point, I think you should have a paradigm shift, like having social intelligence, in line with what we are discussing. You do not have someone to cling to profitably. That's what I want you to look at. And I am offering you one, something someone could always wish for herself. And you are here, trying to shift from the line. I want you to be happy as much as I want Samson to be happy too. And as for your boyfriend, I've offered to give him a whole sum, something he cannot say no to, and then he is comfortable on his own side. With all this in place, I would want you to also think of the bigger picture, Samson.
It's okay, sir. I would think about it and let you know.
Well, it's okay to think. While thinking, you should also consider that I'm involved. Well, duty calls.
Babe, are you telling me the reason your MD asked you to come to the house is to tell you what you just told me?
Yes.
What is all this? What kind of conspiracy is this?
Conspiracy? What do you mean by conspiracy?
Yes, a young man was at the gate today. He was telling me, in fact, warning me to end whatever I have with you. That you are his woman and you both are planning to get married. And I'm the only obstacle on the way. He even offered me money. Yes, to leave you for him. Now you're here telling me that this is the same reason your MD called you. Babe, please. Is there anything going on between you and that guy? Huh? I'm confused. I'm losing my mind. Please, tell me.
There is nothing going on. Nothing. I'm outside your house.
Why are you here? Why can't you just go inside? Why are you standing out here?
Samson, what is wrong with you?
Let's go inside and talk.
What is wrong with you? Why would you go to my boyfriend's house to harass him? Telling him to stay away from me. Why?
Oh, come on, babe. I thought we sorted this out the last time we had lunch.
No. We sorted nothing out. I don't like this. Why would you harass my guy?
Calm down.
You told me that you wanted to date me. I said, let's see how it goes.
Right. But you promised to give me a chance, right?
No. I said I will see if I can give you a chance.
I will.
Samson, please. Take my boyfriend out of this. Allow me handle things myself.
Okay, that's fine. But at least can we go inside and... Okay, listen, I'm sorry, but you need to calm down, okay?
Fine. See you at work.
Are you sure it's gonna work? Hey, no. Falling in love with plans. Falling in love with plans. These plans in your heart. Yeah. Are you sure it's gonna work? Are you sure it's gonna?
Honestly, honey, I'm not happy and comfortable with this decision.
What decision are you talking about?
I mean about Flora and Samson getting married. You don't know anything about that girl. Not to talk of you knowing anything about the parents. How can you pay the two of them?
Honey, this is what you don't understand. Both of them will make perfect marriage. They are perfect match from my own judgment.
Let me ask you this, honey. From the way that girl was sounding, did she talk like someone that is interested in that marriage? Like someone that wants to really marry something? Or are you trying to cage her into that relationship just because she's your staff? What if something bad happens along the line? What will you say or do?
Honey, relax. You're not seeing what I'm seeing. If these two people come together and finally marry each other, it will give my company a facelift that never happened for the history of my company. These two are perfect kids I've ever seen before. Now, so I am working on both of them to be in that company and give it the perfect function. I have a lot of competition in the labor market, and if these two people are there and finally marries each other, they will never mess up in that office because that's where they're in. And even if the man is not there, I know Flora is a fast learner. She will learn the business fast and become the perfect person even when the other one is not there. So these two are better together. That's the bigger picture.
Honey, can you just listen to yourself, can you? I just hope you know what you are saying or what you are doing. Because as for me, I'm not comfortable with the whole idea. I'm not. Why don't you just, allow the girl to marry her own choice of man than paying the two of them because of protecting your company? I even heard that girl had a fiancé, someone that she's already engaged with. If she now gets married to Samson, what will happen to her fiancé? What will you say?
I know about the relationship, okay? I'll fix this. Trust me when I say that. Can you please change this topic to something else? I beg of you.
Fix this how? What other thing do you want us to talk about?
I am the man now. When I say I fix things, know that I will fix it.
Are you sure it's gonna work? Hey, no. Falling in love with blind. Falling in love with blind. This blind.
Girl, what's here? Yeah. Are you good? You sounded so worried over the phone. What's going on?
So, I am in a very big problem that I don't even know how to come out of it.
What is it? Listen, a problem shared is a problem solved. Short.
So, in my company, I work as an accounts officer. One day, the MD called me and they presented a card to me.
Wow.
Yeah, an official car from the company. He said the GM initiated the idea of me having a car, which I really appreciate him for that. You know, after some time, the GM started disturbing me that he wants to get married to me. Everything is just happening so fast. And then today, my MD called me that I should come over at his place. There he told me that, so one day the MD and the GM called me out and they presented a card to me.
Wow.
Yes, an official card. According to the MD, he said that the GM initiated that he brought the idea of me having a car, and which I really appreciate him for that. The MD also said that I should respect the GM, that he is like a son to him, and whatever decision he takes at the office is final, that he has the final say, right? Now, after some time, the GM started disturbing me, saying he wants to marry me. everything was just happening so fast. Earlier today, the MD called me that I should come to his place. There he told me that I should reconsider the GM, that he would appreciate if I accept his proposal of him being my husband. That he strongly believed that having both of us together in his company would enable his company grow even far better than it is today.
Hello.
I don't get it. I try to make him understand that I have a boyfriend. I am in a relationship, or he feels my boyfriend's presence is inconsequential. It's crazy because I really don't know how to go about this, and it feels like my job is at stake and I don't want to lose my job for whatsoever reason. I am in a very tight corner. I don't know the decision to take. I need you to help me.
Calm down, babes. This is serious. But what's on your mind?
Honestly, I don't know. I don't know. I'm just in between. I don't want to lose my job. I don't want to lose my boyfriend. I don't even know how to break this news down to him. Because he is gonna die. He will die. I don't know how to tell him. But at the same time, I don't want to lose my job.
Okay, I think what we're going to do here is we go home and think about this, alright? I'm sure by tomorrow we have a better answer to all this. We're going to overcome this temptation, trust me. Just calm down.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. Just calm down. Stop worrying yourself.
Honestly, I don't want to lose my job. This is a very tight corner. I don't know what to do.
Who said you're going to lose your job? You're not.
Samson.
Yes, please.
I'm asking you for the second time. What did you really see in Flora that caught your fancy this much?
Sir, she's very productive and extremely intelligent. I believe that apart from being partners, we can work together to grow the company.
Fine. So what if peradventure these qualities dies down as a course of time? Will you still be there for her?
I will, sir.
Are you aware that it is quite unethical for you to be talking about having something to do with your colleague?
I know that, sir. But my intentions are good. I'm not playing around, sir.
You can go back to your office and make sure you get me that file.
Alright. Thank you, sir.
Are you sure it's gonna work? Hey, yo. No. Falling in love with blind. Falling in love with blind.
And so I slept over it and I won't.
You know what? I've made up my mind because I have also thought about it, and I think I want him. I want him to be my husband to be.
What?
Yeah.
What about Gazi? Are you sure you've thought about this whole thing clearly?
Please don't worry about Gozie. I can handle it.
What are you going to tell him?
I don't know. I'll just look for something and tell him. I just have to tell him something.
You think it's going to be easy?
I know. I know it's not going to be easy. But I'll just tell him something. If he wants to accept, fine. If he doesn't want, that's his business.
Really? Okay, so how are you going to handle it?
I don't know. But just leave it for me.
I just don't know. Anyway, I hope you know what you're doing.
I hope I know what I am doing.
He's my boss, for crying out loud. Let's go in.
Oh, this is good news. As it stands now, I think we must plan together. Both of you need to tell us when you fix the date for the introduction properly. Right? Yeah. Let's see how that will fly.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Good.
Flora, I have something to ask you.
Okay, Mom. I'm listening.
I want you to check yourself very well. Do you want to marry Samson?
Yes. I do.
What about that man, the guy that I heard both of you are engaged to get married? What will happen to him? What will you tell him?
Sure.
I think we do not need to go over this again. No need to preempt it. I've talked about this with you sometime. So when bringing it up again, let it snooze. You must drink something. Rita!
No, sir.
Rita! No, we must clink some bottles. If you must.
Thank you.
Where is Rita?
Are you sure it's gonna work? Hey, no. Falling in love with blind. Falling in love with blind.
Sir, you sent for me.
Yes. Young man, what can I offer you?
Nothing, sir. I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rita. Sir. I'll call you later.
Okay, sir.
Right. You must be cozy.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm here because my fiancée Flora told me that you asked to see me.
That's correct. But before we go even deeper, I would like to get familiar with you. This I mean to ask, what do you do for a living?
Oh, sir, I work with the bank as a marketer.
Oh, you're one of these people who goes around the labor market looking for clients?
Exactly, sir.
Well, it's okay. Not too bad. What if I give you an offer? I will give you some money to start up a business, to lively up yourself with something good. And still use my connection in the bank to retain you and promote you to something better than just being an ordinary marketer in the bank. How about that?
Sorry, sir. If I heard you right, you want to give me money to start up my own business?
That's correct.
Sorry, sir. How much are we talking about here?
I'm giving you 20 million.
20 million? 20 million naira?
Or even more.
Sorry. Hi. Are you the one looking for me?
Hi. Yeah. I am. How are you?
I'm good.
Great.
Please, who are you and how may I help you?
How much?
How much?
Yeah.
For what?
How much do you want? Name your price.
I don't understand. Did we do any business that I'm unaware of and you want to pay me?
I mean, we don't have to be business partners. I feel like you need the money. I'm trying to give it to you. So tell me, how much do you want?
I don't understand.
Alright, fine. I'll make you understand. You see, Flora told me you're her boyfriend. And you're the only obstacle I have from getting married to her. So name your price. It's your lucky day.
Excuse me. Are you okay?
I'm fine. Totally fine.
You're telling me you drove all the way from wherever you're coming from to come to this place and ask me such useless question?
Oh, it's not a useless question. I just want to know how much you want so I can pay you off.
Sir, don't be offended if I ask you this.
I mean, why are you scared? This is free world. You will ask anything you want to ask.
Sir, I believe this is the first time you are seeing me. And you're offering me 20 million naira. Please, sir, I want to ask, how is the repayment plan like? I mean, how am I going to repay the loan?
Young man, this usury is not for payback. I am not giving you a loan. I'm giving you money to start up something that will be useful to you. And of course, you can only stand the chance of owning the money if you can stand the sacrifice.
The sacrifice? Which is?
Please, just let me explain.
Explain what? What do you want to explain? So Flora, this is who you really are. What have I done? What did I do wrong? So after all these years, after all we've shared together, after all the promises that we are going to get married at the right time, this is how you want to end it? Huh? What is my offense? My only offense is that I don't have money. So you want to dump me for that guy? You want to dump me for that guy, Flora? Just because he has money? Huh? You want to dump me for the guy just because he has money to offer you? No wonder the other day he came here harassing me. I was asking you what is going on between you and him. You just walked out without saying anything. Oh, I'm so disappointed.
Okay, please, baby, let me just explain how everything happened.
What do you want to say? You don't have anything to say. In fact, you can go with him. He has money, you love him. You can go ahead and marry him. It's okay, just leave me.
Baby, you know the situation of my family. You know the condition we are. You know how my sick mother is suffering in the village. Something coming into my life, he would lift the burden off our shoulder. We'll feel relieved. Baby, please. I just need you to understand. You know how I traveled to the UK was with the help of our Igwe, who sponsored my education. Because he was a good friend to my father. You know everything. Baby, please. We need this breath of life. Just for the sake of my mother. Understand me.
So all this story, all this cock and bull story you're telling me is the reason why you want to dump me for that guy. Now let me ask you, is that company the only company in the world where you can get a job? Is that the only company? If a particular company offers you a job with conditions you don't like, you reject it. Besides, you have all the qualifications. And there are jobs everywhere in this country. You can get a job anywhere.
Something coming into my life would be a great relief to my family. And like I told you, the MD called and said he wanted me to be with Samson. Otherwise, my job would be at stake. I don't want to lose my job. Baby, please. I just need you to understand. Please. Baby, you know how hard it is to get a job in this country. It is really hard. You know how I was roaming around for months searching for a job, and then finally God blessed me with this one. And they even gave me an official car. And then you want me to lose this job? No. No. It's not going to be possible, baby. No.
It won't be possible. So what happens to me if you get married to him?
I don't know, but I know you to be a good man. You would find someone better, someone that will love you, even better than I did. You will find someone, but this whole thing, it's really not going to work. I just want you to understand, please. I beg you.
That means you have made up your mind.
I'm sorry.
Just go. Go!
I should wash her clothes. No, tell me. No, tell me to turn water into wine as well. Not only to wash your clothes, tell me to turn water into wine.
And what's wrong with that if you do the laundry yourself?
Okay.
What's wrong with that? If she asked you to do the laundry, then you should do it. Yeah. What's wrong with that?
You want me to do this?
Yes.
Samson, you want me to wash her dirty clothes?
She's my wife. She's been performing her conjugal duties, the ones you have refused to do. So, you should listen to her and give her that respect.
So for that reason, I should wash her clothes?
They are mine. She asked you to wash her husband's clothes. Like, do the laundry. It's English language.
It's okay. It's fine. Sure, why not? I will wash
Let's go.
your clothes.
Make sure you get the bucket, okay? Wash them very well.
There's a washing machine.
No, she should wash them. I
With
don't
her
want
hands?
the washing machine. Yes.
Oh,
With
okay.
your hands.
All right, let's go, baby.
Nonsense.
Let's go.
Trust me.